Yeah, everyone, you're welcome. Today I noticed I had some wood pieces all over the place, and I'm just going to use them to build a brooder box for my chicks, my day-old chicks. So let's go. So I'm going to use these ones and just complete it into two, and put it over the top and at the bottom. So I'm just going to put the door right here. Yeah, so we're almost ready, just to cover up some places. This is now the door. This is the door. We're going to have a handle for it. Yeah. Right now I have my scissors and used bags. So I'm just going to use these bags to cover it up. Now I'm covering it. I'm almost done. So right now I'm just going to cover the door. I'm just going to cover this door, cover the top with same material. Then I'm going to leave these sides here for fresh air to go in, while this other side is well covered and insulated. So they're going to get abundance of fresh air from here and from these sides. Yeah. Then when I'm done with this covering of the door, I'll put the handle for the door so it's easy to open and close. My brooder box is ready. Here's the door and the handle. Now we can access inside. See what is happening inside. We have a handle here and another one here, so we can easily carry the box to any location we want. And in a few days I'll be having my day-old chicks hatch, so this is going to be their new home. Yep. So I got like 6 chicks hatched from my incubator, and they're in their new home, my brooder box. So much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Same time next week I have more videos coming up. Okay, until I see you then, let's have fun, let's learn, and let's be on this great adventure. Peace.